Hi. Recently, I got interested in buying and selling NFTs. In this video, we will talk about why I bought Boxing Boys and Metaverse NFT and Non-Fungible People NFT. Okay, let's start with Boxing Boys Metaverse. Let's first start by visiting their website. So, what is this NFT? They have 5,000 unique boxing characters with 150 different elements, and this and they will combine this with the digital revolution through a play-to-earn game. So they're also developing a play-to-earn game. This was very interesting. Play-to-earn, blah blah blah, and you have 3 different game modes. There's their round map, okay, their team, etc. Their mint price, if I'm not mistaken, was 0.25 Ethereum, and at the moment of shooting this video, it is 0.94. Pardon me, 0.194. Yes, this is the different NFTs you can buy. And I forgot to mention, they're also the game can only be played using a VR headset, I think. Yeah, so this is pretty exciting, 3D NFT. And this is their Twitter. They have 21K followers. When I started researching this project, it was around 9.8K, and now it's grown substantially since then. The reason why I started researching this, or how I got it on my radar, was because of this guy. Ali started offering. He started promoting it on his Twitter account, in his story, and I saw that he had 1.1 million followers. So that got me very intrigued to start researching this project. Later, I got more comfortable buying this NFT because of the game they're developing. It's still being developed, it still needs to be launched, and that is also going to become a play-to-earn game. Okay, let's look next to Non-Fungible People. The reason why I bought this project was because I really liked the art at first, and later I saw that this art had utility. Let's visit their website. So this is their website, very nice art. They even have a sale going on. And if you click on utility, you can see that you can use your Non-Fungible People NFT to create games, animations, videos, and more. You can use it with popular software like Blender, Unreal, Unity, and DAZ Studio. And you may be asking, why would I buy an NFT just to use in my videos or games? I just Googled how much a character costs, and a 2D photorealistic character will take about 10 to 15 days of work and will cost about $1,000. So you need to wait approximately 10 days or 2 weeks, and you need to pay 1,000, between 1,000 1,200 a for a for a character. And maybe, and now with the NFT hype, maybe you can even find something that you really like, such as one of these, and can maybe use them to feature in your to use for your videos, games, etc. Um, the floor price at the moment is 0.19 Ethereum, and their mint price, you can still mint this NFT, is 0.2 Ethereum. So I would recommend, for example, buying it on OpenSea because it's a little less expensive, and they have not revealed yet which NFT you get. So it's still they still need to do that. I don't really remember when how I got to know this NFT, but I think it was using this website, collector.io. Here they reveal different NFTs, where you can mint them and how much. If you, for example, let's take a look at a random NFT, let's say Underground Generals. You can see their Twitter following, Discord, etc., etc. And another tool I use is Rarity Tools. Here is the same. You can see upcoming sales, and yeah, you have links to their Discord and Twitter account. So yeah, that sums up the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.